Thousands of people either use or go past the Citygate facility in Port of Spain, Trinidad every day. But how many of them ever think of Citygate as a tourism site? Just looking at the outer appearance of the Citygate compound can tell you that this facility has been in existence for many years. Citygate stands on the site of the first railway station constructed in Trinidad, and on August 31st, 1875, the first passenger railway in Trinidad was inaugurated, with the train line running from Port of Spain to Arima. The current building is certainly not the building from 1875. Rather, the current building was completed in 1924. The Citygate building was designed by David Hand, who at the time was the chief draftsman of the Public Works Department and a former student of Queen's Royal College. If you're interested in finding out more about the history of Citygate, I have placed a link in the video description. Now, let us take a walk inside the Citygate compound and see what it is like and why it is one of the places to visit in Port of Spain if you are a tourist or simply interested in seeing more of Port of Spain. Okay, we're inside the compound. Let's take a little look at what's in here. Drugstore. Cell phone company. What? Yes. We're not allowed to take a video of the stores that are in here?
You can't go just so you have to ask.
Or I have to go and get permission?
Yes.
All right, no problem.
Remember people trafficking and people be in that picture and people will mind that.
Well, I ain't taking all the people, I just taking all the stores. Fair enough. All right, fair enough, thank you. Well, that kind of killed what I was hoping to do, but I'll still take a walk around. I just wouldn't have the camera up high for it to be noticeable. Can't blame the security officer. She's doing her job as the rules they gave her. What a market area. Oh, let me go for the ticket booths. Oh, plenty more eating places in here, boy. What? So this is a lot more than just coming to get a bus and buy me a lottery ticket. ATM machine. The drugstore. You could pay your mobile bills here and all. Another cafe. Folks, this is a transport hub with a mini mall. Ticket. Alright, let me see what the area for buses is like. The booths for the, or the gateways rather, for the buses. Nice seating area. Okay, so it's obvious this side is for the Public Transport Service Corporation buses. Let me go to the side for the Maxi taxis. I've never been on that side. More fast food. Oh. Coffee shop. But you can get almost anything here.
If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share the video.
Alright, well, I'll continue into the Maxi taxi section. Oh, and this leads down to one of the platforms. Alright, let me go down the platform. So each platform is organized by area. I think the one I'm going down onto is the one that takes passengers to San Fernando. Okay, only one Maxi on this particular platform. Maxis for the other platforms. So it looks like I'll have to go back up in order to see the other platforms. Okay. And here we're seeing all the Maxis lined up, waiting to come to the different platforms. So that, shall we call this the parking area for the Maxis? And on this side is the, well, parking area, service area, workshop for the Public Transport Service Corporation buses and their fueling station. If you look below, you see the Maxis that are in line to get to the various bays. Often hear a lot of complaints about Citygate, but looking at it, I have to say it's an extremely well-structured system or well-structured layout. It's easy to see where you need to go if you want to get either a Maxi or a bus to go to different parts of Trinidad. And it's overall clean. Yes, I'm seeing a little paper on the floor here and there, but by and large this is very clean. So I'm walking back out. Going back to the front. More of the food places. A little market area.
If you want to see other videos of outdoor activities in Trinidad, select one of the videos that is appearing on your screen now.
So that, folks, was my quick tour of the Citygate hub in Port of Spain. Hope you liked the tour, and if you've never been to Citygate, hope that it gave you an idea of what is here, what it's like. And if you're a visitor to Trinidad, helps you understand why I say this is one of the places to visit, one of the places for you to see on any tour of Trinidad, well, any tour of Port of Spain. Very easy to find.